step into the heart-pounding journey of the U-17 submarine's historic transport. Over 4 intense weeks, witness this colossal vessel navigate razor-thin streets, squeeze beneath low bridges, and conquer the mighty Rhine and Neckar rivers. Powered by 30 Skillful intercombi axle lines and the masterful driving of Frieder Sam, this mission redefines precision and grit. Feel the tension, the cheers of the crowd, and the sheer magnitude of this engineering marvel. Don't miss this incredible story. Here, raw power meets delicate balance. They document the transport of a 60-meter wind turbine blade, a marvel of engineering. Notice the strategic choreography of the crew, their movements precise, almost ritualistic. The challenge? Navigating tight corners, uneven terrain, all while battling relentless winds. This footage captures not just a logistical feat, but a human one. It's raw, it's real, it's breathtaking. Who would have thought? Watching Jason and his American Brabant horses haul a storage container is like witnessing old-school engineering at its finest. It's a fascinating reminder that muscle power can still beat machinery when tech falls short. Nature's horsepower at work. No code, just pure grit. A massive semi-truck hauling a huge steel beam faces a deadly mountain pass. Oh my God, did you see that? A tire just blew. Folks, this is a colossal failure. That semi-truck, a steel giant, just lost to the mountain pass. A tough reality for these drivers. Now, a 48-hour rescue mission begins. A tired dump truck driver nodded off, causing a near disaster. The truck veered off the road and tipped into a ditch. A tow truck arrived, trying to right the truck, but couldn't pull it out alone. They called for backup. A cliff, railway power pole, underground and overhead cables hindered them. They used cables to pull the rear towards the road. When the second truck arrived, they pulled together, the second truck preventing it from tipping. And hey folks, safety first. If you're tired, pull over and rest. A job's not worth an accident. Stay safe. That crane's lifting power is wild. Probably hauls 20 tons like it's nothing. What's its limit? Do you know? Our odyssey begins in the world's most legendary quarry, nestled deep within the Italian heartland. Here, the protagonist, a mighty Cat 395 excavator, embarks on a Herculean journey from Piazzale Fantiscritti to Cava Venai. The beast is strategically positioned on its Scania chariot. Check out that beast of a mast coming down from the drilling rig. The crew's working like a well-oiled machine. But whoa, it's sinking into the sand. Now the crew's going all in, shovels flying everywhere. This is raw, unfiltered machine madness. Seriously? Who knew a cat could take flight like that? I bet that's a game changer for getting into hard-to-reach areas. Yet, are there any safety regulations for operating something like this? My advice is, if you're crossing a field in winter and see something like that, you better dig down and make sure there aren't any rails under there. Dude, can you wrap your head around moving a 172-ton transformer? That's a 360-ton beast of a convoy with 2 huge rigs rolling through France. Just imagine them squeezing through those tricky corners and tiny roads. You'll definitely be saying, wow. A giant shipment from the Czech Republic to Hungary? That's quite a distance. It makes me wonder about the economic ties between these two European countries. This kind of large-scale transport likely signifies a significant business deal or a major project underway. It's interesting to consider how interconnected the global economy really is when you see something like this happening. Does anyone know what the main industries are in those regions? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment. 1,280 tons of pure steel. The Tomoyo S-31 submarine lifted with precision like never before. 28 axle lines, 448 tires, and the Megatrans team showing us why they're the best in the game. Spectacular doesn't even begin to cover it. This scene screams tough terrain. That truck, loaded down with what must be thousands of pounds of lumber, is facing a real uphill battle, literally. Those curves don't look forgiving at all. Where do you think all that lumber is headed? All right, here we go. Firing up this beast after months of rest feels like reviving a sleeping dragon. You never forget the thrill of firing up a stubborn old beast like the 86 Pacific with a Cat 3406. Every rumble, every clatter, it's a rush like no other. Testing the C509. Road train's tipping capacity shows impressive control over heavy loads. The hydraulic system is responsive, but there's a noticeable sway when handling multiple trailers. Excellent for rugged operations, but safety checks are crucial during tipping. Hydraulics failing mid-job? That's a terrifying surprise right there.
Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you found this review helpful, give us a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications. Catch you in the next video.